Hello, I'm Mayor Philgood with your weekly update. I want to start by offering my appreciation to the Public Works Department for their quick repair and repaving of State Route 89 through the Granite Dells. The break was certainly inconvenient, and their immediate response to the issue kept it from being even worse. The city incurred extra expenses for the emergency delivery of materials for the road repair, but I expect you will all agree it was worth it. Many have inquired about why these breaks occur. Please understand that the underground infrastructure is very old and prone to breakage. A more extensive capital improvement project is currently in the planning phase to provide a long-term fix, but it'll be a very big job, and you can get more information at sr89improvements.com. I also think this situation was a predictor of the future traffic congestion we can expect if we don't proceed with the widening of 89 through the Granite Narrows. I want to thank you for your understanding and patience as we work to bring our infrastructure throughout the city up to date. There will undoubtedly be challenges, but we are steadily working towards solutions. I want to congratulate the Prescott Fire Department for the recommendation for accreditation by the Commission on Fire Accreditation International, also known as CFAI. This is a prestigious honor recognizing their fire and emergency services that meet or exceed professional standards. The recommendation will be reviewed for approval in April by the CFAI Commission. The Prescott Fire Department was first awarded accredited status in 2020. The department is required to reapply for full status every 5 years. This process ensures that the Prescott Fire Department adheres to the highest standards of safety and operational effectiveness standards. It also offers the public a clear indication that their fire department is well managed and operates with transparency. Maintaining accreditation requires continuous work as well as annual compliance reporting. With the recent passage of Proposition 478, this recommendation holds even greater significance for the community. The accreditation ensures the community that the investments made possible by the proposition will be responsibly applied towards the ultimate goal, which is improved emergency response services for our whole community. At their last meeting, the Civic Enhancement Committee recommended acceptance of the donation of 3 horse sculptures from artist Jean Galazan. In accordance with the city's art donation policy, the 60-day public comment period is now open for citizens to provide their feedback regarding the proposed donation. Additional details regarding the city's policy, proposed donation, and a link to the comment form can be found on the city website. Following the 60-day public comment period, this item will be before council for final consideration in February. City of Prescott offices will be closed on Wednesday, January 1st, 2025, in observance of the New Year's holiday. City offices will reopen on Thursday, January 2nd at 8 a.m. The Prescott Public Library will be open with reduced hours from 9 to 5 p.m. on Tuesday, December 31st. The Prescott Public Library will be closed on January 1st. Your Library Without Walls offers ebooks, online resources, streaming video, and more, and is available 24/7 at prescottlibrary.info. The New Year's holiday will affect solid waste collection in the city of Prescott for some customers. For residential customers with a Wednesday or Thursday collection day, collection will be delayed by 1 day during this New Year's week. Route collection dates will return to normal beginning the week of January 6th. There will be no trash collection for residential or commercial customers on Wednesday, January 1st. For New Year's residential collection days of Wednesday and Thursday, collection will be delayed 1 day. Commercial routes on Wednesday will be delayed 1 day. The City of Prescott Transfer Station will be closed Wednesday, January 1st, and please remember to cover and contain all loads when transporting them to the transfer station located at 2800 Sundog Ranch Road. For further information, contact the City of Prescott Solid Waste Division at 928-777-1116 or visit PrescottRecycles.com. The Prescott Police Department will participate in DUI saturation patrols in conjunction with the New Year's holiday as part of the Tri-City DUI Task Force. As part of a sustained effort to combat impaired driving, expect extra enforcement to occur tomorrow on New Year's Eve. Please consider using a taxi, Lyft, or Uber service. If you're part of a group enjoying the New Year's celebration, have a designated driver. The City Council will not be meeting until Tuesday, January 14th, 2025. However, there are several City Committee meetings next week. On Tuesday, January 7th, City Council Subcommittee on Water Issues will meet at 9:30 a.m. here in Council Chambers. The Mayor's Veterans Commission will meet on Wednesday, January 8th at 9 a.m. in the Grace Parks Activity Center on Gurley Street. The Workforce Housing Committee meets at 1 p.m. on Wednesday, January 8th in Council Chambers. Planning and Zoning meets at 9 a.m. on Thursday, January 9th, also in Council Chambers. And finally, the Subcommittee on Appointments meets Thursday, January 9th at 11:30 a.m. in the Council Conference Room. Speaking of boards, commissions, and committees, we are seeking new applications for multiple committees as we enter 2025. Look on the city's website for the list of openings. Applications must be submitted to the city by 5 p.m. on Friday, January 31st, 2025. Serving on a board, commission, or committee is a great way to get involved in the city of Prescott, and I encourage you to consider these opportunities. Remember, the 14th annual boot drop on Whiskey Road takes place tomorrow on New Year's Eve with a drop at 10 p.m. and another drop at midnight. This event has free admission for the entire family to enjoy. There will be live music, vendors, food trucks, and carnival games and rides. Please bundle up and join the celebration. I'm Mayor Philgood, and I'll update you again next week. Thank you for watching, and I wish you all a happy, healthy, and prosperous New Year.